This video demonstrates purchase report under reports. Purchase report shows business purchases. The report can show total purchases from each supplier, purchases by item, and detailed reports. This report is useful for forecasting cash flows and estimating inventory levels as well. A supplier-wise summary report includes the total amount of purchase from each vendor, whereas supplier-wise detailed report includes the total amount of purchase from each vendor broken down by transactions. An item-wise summary report includes the quantity of each item, service the company has purchased, whereas an item-wise detailed report include itemized products and services. To generate a purchases report, select the duration. Supplier, whether all or specific supplier. Recorded items, whether all or specific item. Brand, whether all or specific brand. Category, whether all or specific category. Choose whether to include transfer in, a purchase only or a return only report, or both. Whether summarized or detailed. Supplier-wise or item-wise. Choose output format. Choose whether to print or save the generated report. That's all for this video. Thank you.